Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 101. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 9. 3 covering both of these boxes, and actually we have a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. That 3 makes this our 8. 3. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 9. 9 here, so 5, 6. 5 here, so 6, 9. That means the only place our 5 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 6. No help down here, so 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so 2, 9, 2, 9. That means our 1 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 5, 3. If we look at this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here and an 8 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 8, 6, and that 8 makes this our 7. If we look at this box now, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 and 6 here. So 2, 7, 2 here, so 1, 6, 7, 2 here, 1, 6, 7, 2 here, 7 here, 1, 6. So if we look, the only place our 2 can be in that box is here. For this column now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 5 here and a 9 here, so that means this is our 6. 1 and 5 here means this is our 9. 5 here means this is our 1, 5. And now with that 6, we can get rid of this 6 and this 6. That means the only place our 6 can be in this box is here. And that 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here. So 2, 8. 4 and 9 here, 2 here. Means this is our 8, 2. Nine here means this is our 4, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this column, we're only missing a 7. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this top row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. And for this box now, we're missing a 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.